look at Building D. It's literally raining a storm.
Did you see that dude?
Yeah, there's a dude over there.
Yeah, like
it's thunder and lightning, and it's raining up a storm. I'm gonna put this on Facebook. Whoa!
I see a little waterfall coming out there.
Yeah, there's a little waterfall right there.
Look at my hand.
Ah! Water on my phone. This is amazing. Look, there's rain everywhere. It's thunderstorming. You can barely hear it. And everywhere is wet. Like, if you look down, it looks like that there's a complete river going down. I'm recording this. This is cool. I'm gonna show this to my cousin. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh. Whoa. It's literally raining up a storm. I'm scared to, I do not, for everybody that's going through this storm, please don't drive, because it's thunder and lightning, raining up a storm. There's literally an inch of water up. Oh, look, see, my hand's already wet just by sticking it out. And there's more thunder. Holy crap.
Thunder.
Feel the thunder.
Yay.
Lightning and the thunder.
Look at this. The pipe is being out water.
Yeah, if you look down at the ground, down here, you could see that it's starting to flood. Corey, do you hear that?
Yeah.
Holy crap! Water's starting to get in here. I'm actually trying to get on my phone. Holy crap. Feel the thunder, thunder, lightning and the thunder. This is cool.
I'm moving downstairs.
Can I go outside with you? Yay!
You're probably going to want to leave your phone.
I will.